welcome you all to today's topic of class 6th, Who I Am. My dear student, what comes to your mind when I say who I am? Don't you think the title is so different that to be who I am, someone is asking that who are you? What is your identity? So today we will be talking about the characters who are there in the story Who I Am. In second part, we will be reading in details the entire story. So today I'll be talking about the characters who are there in this story, Who I Am. Now let us move to the story. The introduction is like this. This lesson speaks about diversity, means totally different kind of things. It tells that everyone has something special in him or her. That means we are possessing or we are having special qualities within us and we are totally different from one another. So everyone is unique in their own way and there are 6 different people whose uniqueness has been shared in this lesson. So today we are going to read about these 6 different people and their uniqueness in this chapter. So the first name you can see here, the name is Radha. So Radha shared her likings and daring acts. She said that her choicest thing was to climb trees. I know some of you also love to climb trees, so Radha is saying that she loved to climb tree. And climbing trees gave her a feeling that she was able to rule the whole world. So though her mother often advised her not to do this as it was not good for girls, but one afternoon she also climbed along with her and both of them enjoyed it. So how funny it is, see. The mother and the daughter, they both climbed the tree and they are enjoying the scene. Now the second character is Nasir. Nasir shared his feeling and wish to be a seed collector. His family owned cotton fields in the village. His father spent a lot of money on buying seeds to grow new plants every year. He wanted to shop this as his grandfather told him that in their times they used to grow new plants from the seeds of their own. So Nasir is in love to collect seed and he want to be a seed collector. So here, but this was not applicable in present time. And this was bothering him and he wanted to know the art of seed preservation. So this was a bothering thing. So what he did, he wanted to know that the art of seed preservation. How can we preserve seeds? Preserve means to keep for a long time. And the third character is Rohit. What does this Rohit want to be? He is fond of traveling. So if his pocket allowed, he would have visited the whole world. And his love was mountains of New Zealand and the Amazon River in the South America. So he wanted to travel throughout the world. That to be from New Zealand to Amazon River in South America and beaches of Lakshadweep and the Konark Temple in Orissa were also on his wish list. So he wanted to be a traveler. His choice also included city of Beijing in China and the pyramids of Egypt. So he loved nature more than buildings. So he is a nature lover. Now the next character is Sarbjit. What does this Sarbjit like to be? So Sarbjit was full of anger. And as the people around him often showed him distrust even when he spoke the truth. So what happened? He is full of anger and whenever he says something, people doesn't believe him. When he told his teacher that he could not do his homework because his book was with Ravi, she thought he was a liar. And his parents blame him for starting a fight whereas it was started by his brother. So he was feeling angry for all the distrust and was trying to control it. So though he tell the truth, people distrust him, due to which he become an angry man. The next character is Filling. Dolma was a girl of high aspiration. Her wish was to be Prime Minister. And as Prime Minister, she wanted to serve her country and make things better for people. So her belief was that she had leadership qualities and she often solved her friends' problem. So teacher shows their interest in her ability and whenever some new thing was to be done in the school. So this girl, she want to be prime minister and she want to serve people, she want to help people because she possessed that leadership quality and she used to solve the problem of all her classmates. Last but not the least, Peter. So what does this Peter love to do? So second Sunday of month was Peter's love. On this day, his family often went for an outing. So on every Sunday, they used to go for an outing. And they watched films, ate peanuts, ice creams, etc. So all this refreshed everyone's mood and they felt happy. So these are the character, my dear students. So today we will, as you already know, what exactly which character love to do. So some love to be seed conservation, some love to travel a whole world, some love to climb the trees, and some go for an outing. So in this way, we learn all the characters and their choices. On the second chapter, on the part 2 in next video, we will be talking about the entire story. So I hope the chapter was wonderful and you will definitely go back and turn your pages and try to comprehend it by yourself. If you have any doubt, please feel free to call me. So thank you all for watching my audio. For any queries, comments, feedback, do comment on my chat box. Till then, have a nice day.